Is your immunity strong enough? Did you feel that your body is exhausted living under the modern fast-paced work and high-pressure life? Do you always feel very tired? Do you still feel tired after getting up? Do you have a declined memory? Even forgot your own birthday? Are you often bothered by ailments such as colds, fever, allergies, etc.? Do you know this is our warning signs sent by your body? Your immunity is in critical condition. The World Health Organization has confirmed that a decline in immunity can cause more than 3,000 types of diseases, including cancer, which makes us terrified. Therefore, improving immunity is an urgency. Oriental treasures-Cordyceps sinensis, produced in Qinghai Tibet plateaus at an altitude of 3,500 to 5,000 meters, is globally recognized as a good immunity regulator, also known as guardian of health. Cordyceps sinensis is rich in vitamins, amino acids, trace elements, and more than 100 kinds of nutrients needed by human body, along with adenosines, mannitol, cordyceps, polysaccharide, and other dozens of health functional ingredients. Especially, its unique two-way regulation of immunity function can help your immunity quickly restore to a healthy, balanced state.